Hello all, welcome to Selenium Java biggest course with live projects. This is the biggest course in the market. When you compare this Selenium Java course with any other course that are already available in the market, this one is the biggest because it starts from very basics, that is from scratch it will start, and it will take you to the advanced level. Not only that, it will cover and touch point all those additional stuff or knowledge, okay, that is required for you apart from learning the major things in Selenium. Okay, so there are a lot of things. There is a lot of ecosystem around Selenium that no one will teach you in general. They only teach you Selenium automation, but Selenium has a kind of larger picture, an ecosystem where Selenium can interact with different third-party tools, and all those explanation about these tools, how to use them with Selenium, along with the live project, okay, interview questions and all are part of this course. Okay, this is the biggest course, guys, where each and every topic, okay, there are some topics, let's say TestNG, Cucumber, these topics are covered in detail. We'll get 100% full confidence, okay? No topic left out. Okay, if you go for TestNG and if you go with the videos of the TestNG in this course, everything is covered. I just didn't cover only the, you know, the major things, but also what are the things that are there in TestNG. Okay, extra additional things about TestNG. Okay, in and out of TestNG I covered. Okay, so such kind of approach I followed. Apart from whatever that is required, along with that, some additional things are also there which will boost your confidence and which will take you to the next level. Okay, when you compare yourself with other people in the market who already have learned Selenium, they may not know much. Okay, after completing this course, you will know more than whatever the people who are already there in the market know. Okay, that's where your confidence will rise and you will be able to do better than them. Okay, so let me list down the topics or read out the topics for you one by one. So what is there or part of this course? First, introduction to Selenium topics are covered. What exactly is Selenium? What is automation? Okay, what Selenium can automate? What are the different versions of Selenium? Okay, which programming languages are supported by Selenium, which operating systems are supported by Selenium, okay, and so on, so on, so on. Okay, what versions of Selenium are there, what is the latest version, and a lot of things like official website of Selenium. Such kind of topics are covered in this. And after that, prerequisites. You see, before directly jumping and learning Selenium automation, you need to have some prerequisite knowledge. You don't have to go anywhere else. And this prerequisite knowledge is covered as per the Selenium. How much of knowledge is required for Selenium? That much is covered. So don't think that this is covered at a basic level. It is covered at a detailed level only, but to the extent where Selenium requires. Okay. So first, HTML basics. If you are new to HTML, then you have to definitely go through this topic, guys. Don't skip it. Okay. If you already know, you can revise it. Okay. So then locator concepts are very important in Selenium. They play a kind of single pillar, you can say multiple pillars. In that, one pillar is like locator concepts. What are locators, why they are needed in Selenium, what are the different types of locators we have, such kind of things. And most importantly, in locators, there are two type of locators which we have to learn in depth. Okay, a lot of Selenium courses will not teach you this in depth. Okay, so I have covered these topics in depth, in detail, in practical, okay, with examples and all. Lot of practice you can do in these topics. Okay, these are not simple. Okay, I just listed on here, but they are like around 3 hours, 2 hours kind of concepts, guys. This is the biggest course, guys, where you learn in and out of each and every topic. XPath expressions, you will become an expert in this area. CSS selectors, you will become an expert in this area. These are very important. Okay, these are the one of the pillar, you can say. Okay, a lot of people ignore this topic, but you should not be ignoring, and that's the reason these topics are covered in very depth. Okay, before you start learning Selenium, first you should have some HTML basic knowledge, locators, and most importantly, the main thing is Java, guys. Okay, the more good you are with Java, the more easy the Selenium is going to be. Okay, Selenium is also a lengthy topic, but without Java, you cannot learn Selenium. Okay, so core Java is like a water in the swimming pool. Okay, if Selenium is a swimming pool, okay, if you don't have water, you cannot swim it, right? Swim in the swimming pool, right? So core Java is like water in the swimming pool, so you can swim. Okay, so it plays a very good role, core Java. And as much of core Java from basics, okay, by making it as easy as possible, is covered in this course in an organized and step-by-step manner. So even though you are new to programming, at the end of this topic, you'll feel that I am good with core Java now. Okay, I'm ready for Selenium. You'll get a feeling, guys. Okay, so much of easy I made this topic for you in this course. Okay, so don't have to go here and there, guys. Simply blindly follow the course in a sequential order without skipping any topic. You'll become the best in the market. Okay. Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So in Selenium, we have different components where everyone uses Selenium WebDriver in day-to-day or real-time projects in the market. So Selenium WebDriver is like a library containing a lot of commands. Okay. So we need to learn how to use the Selenium WebDriver for automating different stuff, like for entering text into the text field, for reading the text from the page, for selecting a radio button, for selecting a checkbox field, for clicking a button, for refreshing the page, for opening the page, maximizing the page, minimizing the page, okay, for selecting an option in the drop down field, okay, like that many things are there, okay, even simulating the mouse actions and keyboard actions. This is not simple as I just listed down here. It contains a lot of topics, guys, which I have not sublisted here. But if you go through the course, you will find out so many topics are covered, and I didn't left any other topic. Okay, any topic is not left out, guys. Okay, you'll get complete knowledge and complete confidence on how to automate anything on the web application from this course. Okay, so from this topic and course, then we have to go to the next level. Okay, till here it's gonna fine. Okay, but here this is very important point, guys. Like a lot of people struck here, even though they know Selenium in the market, but they are not good with the frameworks. Okay, so in order to learn frameworks, you need to learn some prerequisites regarding this framework. You should be good with the prerequisites. They become the backbone of building the frameworks. Okay, so a lot of people start working or learning the frameworks without having the knowledge of these prerequisites. That's why they fail. Okay, so what I did here is I explained all the prerequisites. Okay, when the time comes, a proper time in the course, this all these prerequisite topics like Apache POI API for reading the data from the Excel files, TestNG. It is a testing framework which is very important that you will understand in the course. Properties file for reading the data, extend reports, okay, for generating a beautiful reports, okay, for your automation project. JUnit unit testing framework. Suppose you go with a different type of frameworks like Cucumber BDD framework where JUnit is required. So yeah, I covered JUnit testing framework also for you. That's why Cucumber BDD nowadays everyone is using Cucumber BDD, okay, in the frameworks and all. And all these topics have listed, but they are covered in at most detail, guys. Okay, as much detailed as possible, and you'll be able to answer any question in the interview after covering this, after learning this or going through this prerequisites. Okay, then comes the part of the framework. There are different type of frameworks in the market, like data driven framework. These are the popular ones. Okay, data driven framework, but in the market the last two ones are the popular ones. Okay, so they are built from the scratch before you. Okay, so it's not like just I'll give you one framework and you have to automate scripts. It's not like that. How to construct this framework from scratch, whatever the knowledge you got till here, using that knowledge, how you are going to build the framework. So hybrid TestNG framework with page object model and page factory is one of the popular frameworks in the market that is being used in the real time. Okay, apart from that, another popular framework that people also use in the market for in real time projects is Cucumber BDD hybrid framework with JUnit. Here TestNG is there, here JUnit is there, even TestNG is also covered, and page object model and page factory. Okay, so here Cucumber BDD, here just TestNG. Okay, so these are the popular frameworks, and they are not just explained and given to you, but they are covered from scratch for you. Okay, I have built them before you in a step-by-step manner so that you will get a kind of feel like how to create. You will get that confidence. Tomorrow, if you have to build your own framework, you can do it. Okay, after this, after completing this topic, then live project. You see, a lot of people start here. Okay, so a lot of people are new to Selenium, or they may not get chance in real time to work on Selenium automation projects. To overcome that fear, okay, what I have done is I explained you what happens in real time. Okay, so in real time, we just don't automate and we just don't create not just create the frameworks, but we have to use this Selenium automation frameworks with the Jenkins, GitHub kind of CI/CD kind of pipelines and all. Okay, and along with these things, how you are going to do the live project automation in real time. Okay, so at your workplace, you'll feel like you are at one company and you are working at your desk. Okay, that kind of feeling you will get while going through the live project. It's not just a sample live project; it is a real live project, guys, and you will feel yourself like you're working with some other colleague beside you, and you are automating it and you are collaborating and all those stuff. That kind of confidence you will get, and these are the real time questions you are going to face in interviews. So people may ask you some basic questions, but without live project you will not get confidence, guys. Okay, so I request everyone to go through the live project in this course, okay, which is very valuable, and whatever the real time questions you get in the interview will be from this live project, guys. Okay, then Selenium Grid 4, which is latest. Okay, don't worry about the older Selenium Grid now. Okay, we got the latest Selenium Grid with different things. Okay, so a lot of people still teach the older version of Selenium Grid, but I did a lot of R&D on the Selenium Grid 4, which is the latest. And not only that, guys, and how to configure this latest version of Selenium Grid on Docker, Kubernetes. These are the containers, okay, which take very less space. You don't need multiple machines. In a single machine you can create a lot of containers and run your automation scripts in parallel, okay, just to save time and all. Such kind of advanced stuff are covered in this. These are being used in real time. Okay, so a lot of people are not covering this. Okay, I'm covering in this course. Then Selenium for new additions. Okay, what you see, even I covered Selenium WebDriver here. This is the latest version of Selenium WebDriver with Selenium 4, which is currently latest and all. But still, you see, a lot of things keep coming, guys. Okay, even Selenium 4 version is released. After that, 4.1 will come, 4.2 will come. So a lot of new things will keep getting added. Such kind of videos are added here. Okay, new additions. These are some videos which are not covered here, even though these topics are in depth. Still, a lot of things are going to change every day, every month. So those things are in this section. Okay, so where you'll get a lot of knowledge about what new things got added even after latest version of Selenium got released. Okay, then we have the additional topics. I said in the beginning that Selenium is not just a tool, but it has a lot of ecosystems surrounding it. Like you can use Selenium with Auto IT, okay, like that many things. Okay, database testing using Selenium, okay, encryption, decryption, like that many things are there. Okay, many things, additional topics are there. Okay, all the ecosystem is covered in this. Okay, so this will take you to the next level. This you can say as the last level or next level. And after that, I even covered 100 Selenium Java interview questions. After completing or going through all these topics, if you are able to answer these 100 Selenium Java interview questions, then you are in a right position. You will be able to attend any interview in the market, guys. Okay, so your confidence will rise after you are able to answer. Even I provided the answers, but before you go through the video answers of my recordings in this course, you just try to answer yourself, and if you're unable to answer, just go and watch the video. Okay, that's the way I covered here. These are already answered in this course, but you can cross check yourself after completing all these topics just to see whether at what level you are. This section will help you out a lot. Okay, and it will give you utmost or kind of confidence that you can crack any Selenium Java interview. So because this is the biggest course and nothing is left out, so all the best, guys. Okay, all the best for your future, because Selenium Java is the main thing that people, in software testing field, like you face a lot of questions from the Selenium Java, including Java also. You'll face a lot of questions and all. Okay, so hope, guys, you like the contents and all, and whatever I covered in this course. Okay, you like all the stuff. See you in the course, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.